Hello everyone, welcome to my home. And today I'm really excited because I received my order from DōTERRA, and I ordered it a few weeks ago already, straight from Australia, where there was a BOGO week. And BOGO week is an amazing way to get free products. So every day you have a deal, and you buy one product and you get one free. So what I did, I enrolled my husband, and as an enrollment kit I choose the BOGO box. So now let's open it and see how all the goodies that are inside it. Oops, where does it come from? Here we go. Ooh, to start with, there's another little box. So what's in that box? Let's see. First, there's lemon, myrtle, and tangerine and cream. This looks very nice. So both are citruses. Let's see how it tastes. It smells good, citrusy. Oh, texture is very nice, very thin, and it's already penetrated with my skin, and it leave a very nice lemony scent. Delicious, I love it. Keep it close to my bedside table because I love, before going to bed, rub some on my hand and my feet. Oh, we have some citronella, and everybody knows, I'm sure, that it's great as an insect repellent and could be used also as deodorant. Amazing. Oh, another great one, tea tree. Tea tree is native from Australia, so it's great that it was in the Australian BOGO box. So it will remind me of my good times in Australia. And in our family we use tea tree a lot because I have teenager, and so it's amazing for spots or anything that goes with germs, because it's great antibacterial action. So nice to have in a first aid kit. What else? We have peppermint. I love peppermint. Here in Dubai, the weather is very hot, and peppermint has this cooling effect, so it's really refreshing, and helps us to get better with the heat, and it's energizing, and it's awesome for digestion. So really another one good to have in your first aid kit. Oh, I don't know this one. It's Rosalina, and Rosalina is native from Australia, I think. It has a smell a bit like tea tree. So you know what? I'll have a look what it's good for, and I'll post it in the comments, because I have no clue how to use it, but it smells really good. A bit of a softer tea tree. Then I have citrus bloom, which is said to be a springtime plant. Let's see. Yeah, it's a bit floral and citrusy. Yeah, it's bring good mood. I feel like you have in springtime after a long winter, and nature goes back to life. Yeah, it's like this light and airy smell that's feels good. So it would be great as perfume. But same thing, maybe I'll pop down a comment with what it's exactly made for. What else? Oh, lavender. Being French, I love lavender. I use it so much. That was my first oil when I started, and it's amazing for all what's skin related. So a cut, a burn, anything skin. And at night it's really soothing and calming, and it helps to fall asleep and have a good night's sleep. So it's really a nice one to have too. Another flower that I love, jasmine, how to say? I use it as perfume because it's this very floral and smells good, so it's great to feel happy and prevent from any anxiety or any bad feeling. It's like a really feel good thing. And it's amazing as well for wrinkles. It's part of my daily skincare. I just roll it because it a roller, so I pass it on where I have wrinkles and up. It's great one in the bathroom. Oh, spearmint. So I don't know this one. Supposed to have quite same effect, I think, as peppermint. Oh, I'm in love. Yeah, it's really amazing. It smells like mint, but milder and more round. Oh, it's my diffuser very soon. I love it. I'm excited to try this one. Oh, this one, lemon myrtle. I think it's Australian as well. Let's see. Yeah, it smells a bit lemon. Yeah, lemon myrtle. I have no clue, but it smells really good. So I'll pop your comments below to tell you what it is good for. It smells nice. I'm sure it will be great in a diffuser. Oh, and the last one, Coast, that was especially formulated for Australia. Supposed to remind you of the ocean when you're at home. So here I live by the seaside, but nothing to do with the ocean you have in Australia. Very interesting. Bit lemony, a bit trees, you know, these green trees you have in France. Like, it reminds me of France, in fact. The trees we have on the seaside, you know, these pine trees. I don't know their names in English. So you have this marine breeze and these trees, and yeah, I feel like walking in the pinède, we would say in French. It's very nice. So I'm sure in a diffuser it must be amazing. So let's see. And now, the other exciting big box that was in my box. The Wombat diffuser. Let's see. Oh, how cute it is. Look at that. So, for those who don't know, wombat is a native Australian animal. It's really very cute. We have had the chance to meet one when hiking in Australia. So, a bit like this one. So this diffuser works for 4, 8 and 16 hours. Oh, it has music and lights. So great for a kid's bedroom. And the mists just come almost out of his bed, so it's even nicer. So my little one, 12 years old, will love it. So what else do we have in the box? Oh yes, so as it was, I took it as an enrollment kit. I got the product guide, which is with beautiful photos. And what I like very much is that all the oils are sorted by kind of woody. You have the blends, but you have citrus, herbaceous. So if you have an idea kind of smell you want, it's easy to find it. So, and it's nice to discover all products DōTERRA have, because they don't just do essential, but they do so many other stuff. So it's always good to have be able to easily see what they have. And in addition, there's a welcome pack. And in that welcome pack, yes, you have all the guides to help you start with. The leaf guide that tells, so really for starting to be using your oils that were in your kits. You have the share guide, which is gives you lots of hints and ideas how to share your oils with your family and friends. And then we have the build guide, which is same thing. Lots of hints on how to proceed if you want to start business like I do. Then we have the Australian price list. Some compensation plan if you're starting business. And some stickers, and that's very useful to find your bottles, where they're in their box or in your bag or anything, and you have loads of them, so it's very exciting to get all organized, and I love when they're organized because otherwise I can't find them. That's it for today. That was my very first live. I was super stressed, but in the end I think it went quite well. So thank you for having watched me, and I hope to do it soon again. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know how to stop it. See if I click it. Yeah.